I'm Rhonda King and I'm in paradise here at Earthworks, outside in the nursery. We have the sound of water moving here, fish swimming, some pollinators buzzing around on our flower beds, and just spectacular flowers, trees, and shrubs to choose from. If you haven't seen us in a while, check us out. We're here on Beach Boulevard, where we've created literally an oasis. Our staff is like family, so come on in and ask any question you have about your gardening needs. We'd love to help you. Earthworks carries different varieties of azaleas. Azaleas look fantastic under a tree or surrounding a tree in your yard. They appreciate the shade. They also appreciate loose soil. So if you're taking an azalea home with you from Earthworks and you're digging a hole, make sure that the soil that you have in your yard isn't too heavy for the azalea. Its roots are kind of skinny, so it wants some loose soil. If you're interested in soil amendments, Earthworks carries plenty of those. So come in and talk to the staff about the soil in your yard and if it's going to be suitable for your azaleas. Earthworks is carrying dahlias right now. These are fantastic for your flower garden. You can plant them about 12 inches apart if you want them to look really full in your garden. They appreciate full sun, and you can deadhead the blooms that have gone by with a pair of scissors, and it will promote new growth. Dahlias at Earthworks. This is the Indian hawthorn. It is a compact shrub. The Indian hawthorn stays about 4 to 5 feet tall at its mature height. It is not picky about the soil conditions that you have it in. Once it's established, it does not require a lot of water. It flowers in the spring, a fragrant white flower. It's an evergreen and it needs little pruning. So low maintenance, full sun plant, put that in my car. This is the shrimp plant. It prefers a shaded area in your yard. So when customers come in and they're looking for something that flowers or has color, but they have shade in their yard, we recommend the shrimp plant. It gets its name from the flowers here that make it look just like a shrimp. The shrimp plant is here at Earthworks in the shade area. Come check it out.